baby! Fucker right there and knocked my tooth out. Shit. Damn.
Fuck this. I'm out.
What's wrong, baby? Baby, what's up? Baby?
I'm out.
What's going on?
I can't do this.
What happened? What's the problem?
I can't do this anymore. I'm breaking up with you. I'm done.
For what?
You snore too fucking loud.
So you gonna break up with me because I snore?
Yes, we've been together 4 years. I've had a collective of 9 months of sleep. That's 270 nights of sleep. I'm tired. I'm tired, Ezra.
Okay, I know relationships are about sacrifice. I know what I gotta do to keep you. Hold on.
Fucking earplugs. They're like, what you got?
Arande, Alicia, DeBriziante, Guadalupe, Barbietta, Smith, the 8th. Will you sleep with me again?
Nigga, you had a damn snore doctor for how long and just decided not to put it in your damn nose?
I tried it one time when you was at work and it made me look funny.
Who you trying to impress? Your sleep bitches? The bitches in your dreams? If you don't put that shit in your nose so I can get some damn sleep, we done been together 4 years and you want to sit around playing like you cute. You ain't trying to be cute for nobody when I'm trying to get sleep. What you doing? Put it in your nose, Ezra, and come on, let's go the fuck to sleep. Shit, about to have me leave you on some dumb shit. Babe, you sleep? I'm gonna get that from my boyfriend.
To the max.